So today I'm going to be doing another Sephora perfume fragrance breakdown. I got a request to do the Sephora Favorites Holiday Perfume Collection. So I'm going to break down all of the perfumes in this collection, letting you guys know which one is going to be the highest value, lowest value, largest size, and smallest size. I think that these are great gifts to give during the holidays because perfume can be such a subjective thing for each individual. So if you don't know what to get someone, but you know they like perfume, this could be a really good option because they get to try out all these different perfume fragrance samples, and there is also a voucher to redeem for one of the full sizes of this kit, especially since it's very rare to actually get discounts on fragrances from Sephora. So this is kind of a sneaky kind of way to get a discount you wouldn't normally get. So this is what the kit looks like that I will be reviewing today. The price of this is $65 and there are 15 different fragrance samples that you get to choose from in the set. So the first perfume in the set is the Atelier Cologne Clementine California Pure Perfume. This one is redeemable for the 1 ounce and the value of this one is $75. So since this is a 1 ounce size fragrance, it is tied for the smallest size. There are 7 fragrances in total in this set that are 1 fluid ounce. So any of them that are 1 fluid ounce, please know that they tie for the smallest size. And the value of this perfume is $75. So since the set is $65 and the perfume is $75, that's like getting a $10 discount on a perfume. So that of course makes it a higher value. Next is the Burberry My Burberry Blush Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1 ounce and the value of this one is $70. So that makes it a higher value. Next is the Chloe Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1 ounce and the value of this one is $76, another higher value. Next is the Clean Reserve Aqua Neroli Eau de Parfum. This is for the 3.4 ounce and the value of this one is $95. So that makes it the largest size. Next is Dolce&Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1.6 ounce and the value of this one is $84, another higher value. The next 2 fragrances are both by Kat Von D. The first one is the Saint Eau de Parfum and the next one is the Sinner Eau de Parfum. Both of these are for the 1.7 ounce and they both value at $65, and since the kit is $65, that makes this an equivalent value for the fragrance that you would be redeeming for. Next is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Eau de Toilette. This is for the 1.7 ounce and the value of this one is $84, another higher value. Next is Nest Fragrance's Black Tulip Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1.7 ounce and this one is valued at $74. Next is the Prada Candy Sugar Pop Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1 ounce and this one is valued at $72, another higher value. Next is the Toca Maya Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1.7 ounce and this one is valued at $72, another higher value. Next is the Tom Ford Black Orchid Eau de Parfum. This one's for the 1 ounce and this one is valued at $86, another higher value. Next is Tory Burch Just Like Heaven Extract de Parfum. This one is for the 1.7 ounce and this one is valued at $108, so that makes it the highest value fragrance that you can redeem for in this set. Next is the Versace Bright Crystal Eau de Toilette. This one is for the 1 ounce. Quick correction, the Versace Bright Crystal Eau de Toilette actually retails for $57, so that makes it a lower value and the lowest value that you can redeem for in this set. And finally is the Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium Eau de Parfum for the 1 ounce and this one is valued at $72, another higher value. So here is a chart breaking down all of the fragrances in this kit. It is marked with an asterisk to signify the smallest size, and it also notes the largest size, lowest value, and highest value. Like I always say, I just recommend you to choose your favorite fragrance from this set, but of course if you need help deciding which one you like or if you just want to know which ones are going to be the highest value, then hopefully this video helped you with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.